if you've followed me long enough, you will know that I struggle with my natural hair. You know, the receding hair. And also I've got this patch there, which I'm trying to cover. So I've decided to grow my hair naturally. So I'm going to create my own, make my own oil, hair growth oil, using the ingredients that I have in my own home. So I have cloves. This, it says cloves whole, so I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be using peppermint oil, no, spearmint oil. I'm going to be using mint. Yeah, it says mint here, right? Yeah, it says mint there. I'm going to be using mint. I'm going to be using rosemary. And I'm going to be using extra virgin oil. You see it? Right. And I've got this bottle, so I'm going to mix it in this bottle. So let's go. Right, I'm going to mix all the ingredients I'm going to use in this. Okay, so I'm going to be using this 5 ml spoon. I'm going to start with mint. So we go to rosemary. And put cloves. That. Okay, I'm going to put this in a bottle. Just bear with me. Right, that's all in this little bottle, and it's all empty now. And I'm going to put some oil. Half of that, that'll be 50 ml. That's the olive oil I'm going to use. Olive oil. Okay, that's that one. Right, so I'm going to put as well this, the spearmint. I'm going to put this, the oil as well, so that's one. So 20 drops of spearmint oil. And I'm going to leave it to infuse in this bottle. So I'll leave it in this bottle for 7 days before I start using it. And once it's infused, I'll transfer it into this bottle. I've got an applicator, but the reason why I like this bottle is I've got this, so I can just going in the hair like that, you know, putting the oil in the spaces that I want. And the good thing also about this one is the spray, so I can actually spray my hair. See, I can spray it. That's the good thing about this as well. So I can just spray and leave it there. So I'll leave this for 1 week and then I'll start using it. But in the meantime, I am using my argan oil. This is the one I'm using. Yeah, I'm trying to grow my hair, guys, because look at that. This is my natural hair growth journey. So follow me and see if I'm going to grow. See, in the pot. This one is not going to grow, but anyway, it's going to be covered by the hair, which is going to grow around it. I'm still considering. I saw the comments that you've put that I can go to my GP and get referred to dermatology, right? So that I can get steroids on that part. Natural hair journey. If you have any ideas, guys, let me know. What can I use? So I like it when I do this and then I cover that part. It's covered. Here we are. Okay, so we're done. We've made our homemade hair growth oil made with olives, mint, no, cloves, not olives, cloves, olive oil, rosemary, cloves, olive oil, rosemary, and mint, and virgin oil. All from my kitchen. all from my kitchen. Yes, all from my kitchen. So I want to see if it is going to make my hair grow. I want to watch it. Watch me grow my hair. So because my hair is full of oil, at night I just take my silk scarf and just tie it. Okay, so I've just applied some cream there. Here we are. So guys, I am ready and I'm so excited about this. You know, instead of buying, I've made my own. These are natural ingredients that I've used, right? Natural ingredients, everything is natural. Olive oil, rosemary, cloves, mint, and spearmint oil. That's one. I've left it. And here we are. Thanks for watching. Thank you for following my hair growth journey. And I hope I'm going to get ideas from you guys. And also, I hope you're going to learn something from this. Whether this works or not, I don't know. You take care. Bye.